I am Angelica Parungaw.
And I am Mariel Manuel, and we will teach you how to make graham cakes.
There are always been a misconception about making cakes, especially graham refrigerator cakes. A lot of people thought it was hard to do, while some, especially budget-conscious consumers, think that it is expensive and won't fit your budget. But contrary to what other people believe, graham cakes are easy to do and won't easily fit in your budget. All you need is 3 packs of graham crackers, 2 packs of all-purpose cream, and 1 pack of angel condensada, and 2 mangoes, ripe mangoes, and 1 pack of crushed grahams. Mix the condensada and all-purpose cream together. Two all-purpose flour mixed together. Wait lang, hindi pa kasi.
Ingay!
Ikaw. Tama lang ba dalawa?
Mix together.
And then place the graham.
And then place the graham crackers at the bottom of your Tupperware.
Mix with the milk and the cream.
And add a layer to mix condensed milk and cream on the top of the graham crackers.
Hindi yan nagdadasal.
that, place your sliced mango
Ayan.
on the top. Make sure that the cream covers all of the graham. Be generous.
Ano kaya to? Sa crush ko. Sa crush ko to eh. Di ba sa'yo yun? Sa crush ko yun. Sa crush ko yun.
Kailangan.
Nandiyan, Lord. May kaya mo to?
Repeat the procedure until you reach the desired layers you want. Top with mangoes.
Yung ginawa ni Mami yan eh.
Repeat it again.
Kuya! Lord, pangit! Bakit yung gano'n?
Tapusin na natin to. 6 minutes na. Stop mo.
Oyok man. Kuya, ano mo nga to tayo? Ano na? Oy, ikaw man tayo. Tumuhan ko.
Paano yung ano? Tapos na ba?